Yep, that really did happen. I did accidentally fly into this guy. To be honest, if you guys rewind the footage, he was not even looking. So he kind of drove into me, but I should have checked the airway and been more outside. But yeah, I grabbed the drone, apologized to the guy. He told me his window was bad. I told him my bad, but after that we were good. And yeah, back to the video.
Drone recovery. It hit his windshield, but it wasn't too bad. Cracked the wing. A couple of them are chipped, but we did fly in the car before, so a lot of it's been broken before. But camera seems fine, everything seems fine on there. But I think there is a studio over here. That's the one that was opening. So it is a tattoo studio and also a car studio where you can take photos at. So we're gonna walk around, see what's around here, more into detail. Let's get it. Kicking off the new year with the new Lowriders. Our first meet was a Lowrider, and that was honestly my first 3K views. See how this year treats me with Lowrider content. It's gonna be a lot of Lowrider content all year long, and even in different states. Super excited for that. All right, so something I seen in the air was this right-hand drive C10. Really custom, clean engine bay, all done up, definitely dressed up with the tubs and everything. And the whole entire engine is tucked in. Very nice how they done this. Cut only a little bit into the cowl, obviously, to fit those the air intake, so that fit nice and neat. But right-hand drive C10, I've never seen one of these. I've only seen once. It wasn't this exact truck, but that was over there in I forget what city, but it was a toy drive last year. But the headlights are kind of pointed inward. It's funny. There's some shims, but obviously they're falling all over the place. But to have one of these C10 trucks, it's crazy. Seen one of these last night, Steerfish. But this one has a red patina to it, kind of some blues and everything, clear coat. And oh, look at that front end. That is sick. So coming right here, fire department. But yeah, it's inside real quick. I think that seat goes down, that way you can have access to the other seats. But the other one definitely was a lot cleaner, but this one I like because it's more rustic. It's more, shows its age and everything. Love it, nice.
Anyway.
Guns N' Roses, custom carburetor. See, these cars keep it clean and they take the original block. Suzuki, this is a little hopper. Mini trucks, man, look at that embroidering on there. All the gold hardware and everything. Check out the door handles. And the spokes of the wheels too. He has one of them off, but nice. Clean, dude, clean. Nice. So away from the loud music inside that studio. Super cool inside. They had that car lined up. You guys see from the drone footage too. Coming over here, a couple of wagons. This blue one is really nice. I like that color. This one kind of looks like an angry grandpa, you know? Just Lifetime Car Crew, Car Club. Oldsmobiles. I know that guy. Diablo 8. Oh, wait, that is that guy. But where is he at? That guy right there is the one that showed up to our car meet last time. But it's cool, he has a lowrider too. So, this truck is sick. That pistachio green color all the way through and through. Dragon Ball Z shifter. Nice. The white letters in the back. Getting that thing extra shiny, extra clean. That candy is insane on there. Interior is all done up too, same color. Nice. Talk about rolling deep. Man, has a lot of bikers. There you go. It's better to park down this way too. It's less crowded. This thing is crazy looking. That is nice. Nice. I like this little truck right here. This thing is sexy. Hoover hardware. Old Chevy truck. Look at that grill in the front. I love how cars used to be looking like this.
Hey, look at the first Ferraris.
37s?
Dude, this thing's beautiful. It looks like one little pothole. It'll all come apart, but that's dope. This thing has to have an engine swap in it. There's no way that that old car sounds like that. Nice. 63 Impala. Beautiful color. If I could just quickly address the details on this real quick. All on the bumper. Just that area too. Little tiny corners. That's dope. This thing is wicked looking. The headlights are like hidden. What? Attention to details. Nice. Alright, so taking off from here, ending it on a bombshell. This is a really nice location, really nice meet. I do like the shotgun alleys all the way up and down. Really cool to walk around from here into the other side, the busy side. So not only were they doing tattoos, it was a studio with that custom Impala over there. Really nice day out today. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed today's lowrider content, there's going to be a lot more coming up this year. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay chill.